Here comes the blizzard, you guys. I think I will document this blizzard as it arrives because I've just flown across most of the midsection of the US and I've been in this storm for the last 2 days, and now it's arriving here where I live, up in Fargo, North Dakota. I just flew back into town from Kansas and Missouri, and right after we landed, literally 5 minutes after we landed, the ice pellets started falling. I really haven't been watching the news because I've been watching the weather and flying a lot this week. Yep, there it is. Blizzard warning starting at 7 p.m. Did you see that sign? They actually flash it on the sign like as if it's an exciting event, like they're advertising for something. Well, I'm at work and I learned how to drive a Bobcat today. I got to play around during one of our many blizzards. Nice day to learn to drive a Bobcat, huh? Well, here comes the big guns. This is the big airport plow coming. He's coming over to help us. It's like we're a stranded little fish, and along comes the big guy. There he is. That thing can move some snow. That's how we move snow up around here. They're just running out of places to put this stuff. Just wait till it melts. Every yard looks like this, unless you live on the prairie where it blows away. But in the city, it just fills in. Well, we're having yet another snowstorm. And I was just laughing and telling Karen that my yard now looks like something from a Dr. Seuss story. Honestly, look at the grill. This looks like a Dr. Seuss book out here. This is Whoville right here. Frosty life lives in Whoville. How about that? And there's snow starting to curl around the roof. It's like art. Like Whoville, actually. We had this much snow back in 2006, although I think we're starting to get past that level.
I'm gonna go on a limb and disagree with you.
Well, it's true that all the downstairs windows are blocked, and in the past it was only 75% blocked. I got video from back then, a little bit. Yeah, we live in Whoville now. Where's little Cindy Lou Who? Maybe the Grinch is out there. Look what Karen made out on the deck. So tell me about your artwork, Karen.
That's a poop emoji.
A poopy emoji?
That's how I feel about winter.
So at this point, this is what you feel about winter?
Yep, that's my
It's been...
That's my winter emoji.
Winter's overstaying its invite for the winter. It's time for spring to come and visit. I love your poop emoji. He's cute.
Isn't it cute? He's angry.
I see he's staring toward where the sun usually shines.
Right.
Yeah, he's giving the sun the stink eye.
Is that funny?
Well, hopefully this changes things. We've had enough winter. Even I'm saying so. I'm ready for spring.
I'm ready to eat.
Look at Lily trying to get through the snow in the blizzard. Lily! Come on! Come on, Poppy! Oh, she's gonna sleep very well tonight. She just can't get through there. Come on! Oh, good girl! Find it! There's a ball out there. That's your tennis ball. She can smell it. Find it! Find the ball, Lily! Where'd it go? She's sniffing for it. Oh, there she disappeared for a second. Come on, Lily! Lily, this way! Come! Come on! Lily! She is gonna sleep so well tonight. on, girl! We have 46-mile-an-hour winds right now, and they're supposed to gust up over 55, maybe 60 miles an hour later, which has happened a lot this winter. I'm standing here without a coat. Come on, girl! That's deeper than I thought. Lily's having trouble navigating in the blizzard. Good girl, Lily. Good girl. Find the ball. Find it. She hops like a rabbit. Where's the ball, Lily? Look. Lily. Check it out. The interstate's closed. There's no traveling north. They've totally given up on the interstate. They actually gave up in town on the side roads too. You can see it on my dash cam. I plugged in my Christmas lights just because it's March and it's blizzarding out. Yep. I'm just gonna laugh in the face of old man winter and plug in all my Christmas decorations just to celebrate winter, just because I can.